everyone. In this video, we're going to learn about how to calculate GST or calculating GST theory. As you know, GST stands for Goods and Services Tax, and in Australia, we consider 10% of the original value is added on top of the goods that you are buying. So, like for example, if a marked price is $100 with GST, you have to add 10% to it, which makes it as $110. So here are some good examples that would be helpful for you to understand this concept. In the first example, we are seeing that find the final price of an item which costs $234.20 when a GST of 10% has been added. So 10% can be written as 10 over 100 times 234.20, which is $23.42. So you add that to the original value, then your final value becomes 257.62. There's another way. So including GST means original value of 100% plus 10% will make it as 110%. So you can times this 234.20 times 110%. If you are using calculators, you can straight away type in 110 and the percent symbol, and you should end with the same result. In the second example, we are going to see that what happens if the GST is already included. How are you going to find the amounts of GST? So there's something called as unitary method. Unitary method is nothing but, you know, that if it is included GST in it, you are looking at 110%. So in this case, an item is marked at $6,875, and they're clearly stating that including a 10% GST. So 100% plus 10% equals 110%. So 110% is 6875. So if you divide both sides with 110, 110 divided by 110 should give you 1%. Okay, so use your calculators in this. You'll get a value, and then if you want to know what is the GST that has been added, all you have to do is take that 1% and times it with 10. So that would end up as 625. This unitary method concept is very helpful. If the question would have asked you what was the original price of the item, then 1 times 100. So all you have to do is times this piece with 100 and you would get the original value. So again, let me summarize this. So whenever they give you including GST, you're treating this as 110%. So if you divide both sides with 110, you will end up getting 1%, and that is called unitary method. Once you have unitary method done for 1%, you can use that to get any percentage. So 10% would give you GST, 100% would give you original value. I hope these two examples are helpful. Thanks again, guys. Thanks again for watching the videos. Have a wonderful and blessed evening. Bye-bye.